Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Flexi Mesh Office Chair features: Flexi offers style, comfort and dynamic support as you sit. This distinctive design office chair is supplied with a neutral white frame for a striking modern look. Encased mesh backrest suits users of different sizes and encourages airflow, preventing the body temperature rising throughout the day. Ergonomically contoured backrest design with lumbar sculpture provides support to the lower back, and the head and neck is supported by a height and tilt adjustable headrest. The contoured seat pad is generously proportioned, and the waterfall seat front helps ease under thigh pressure and maintain good blood flow. Flexi is supplied with convenient flip-up armrests. Simply flip the armrests up to allow clear access to your workstation. For additional comfort, the arms are topped with a padded cushion in matching textile. The tilt mechanism is operated by the left-hand lever. Pull the lever up to unlock the mechanism and allow the chair to float freely. Push the lever down again to lock the chair into the required position. The hand wheel at the front of the chair adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free floating. To promote body movement and help maintain healthy posture, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. By lifting the right-hand lever up, you can adjust the seat height to your ideal position. The Flexi comes with an upholstered fabric seat pad and a mesh backrest in a selection of 4 eye-catching colours, contrasting well with the white frame. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 levels 0, 1 and 5, and fabrics to EN 1021 parts 1 and 2. The Flexi comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.